Nelson Mandela, leader for blacks who sacrificed his life more than 27 years in jail. He is the person who gave wings to blacks and brought the freedom. He is the first complete democratic president of Africa and the first black president in the world, and abolished the mark on blacks and gave equal rights to black as white used to be. Today we are going to know about Nelson Mandela. He was born on 18 July 1918 in Transkei, South Africa. His original name was Rolihlahla Mandela, which means troublemaker. In 1920, when he joined the school, his teacher named as Nelson. His father, Gadla Henry Pakaniswa, had 4 wives. He is the 3rd wife's son and youngest of all the kids. He is the first member in his family to attend the school. He was passionate about boxing. When he was 9 years old, Nelson's father passed away due to some disease. As he supported a lot of families financially, after his death, Joginthaba's family adopted Nelson. There he found lot of books and started reading how blacks became slaves to whites, etc. For some decades, both blacks and whites used to be brotherhood, and blacks used to give their assets to whites, due to which whites took this as advantage and started treating them as slaves altogether. In 1937, Mandela joined in Hilltown College and completed his matriculation. From there, he joined in Friendshire University to complete his graduation. There he met Alvar Tambo and became close friends till the end. But Nelson couldn't survive there due to politics of blacks and whites. He left to Johannesburg and completed BA graduation. After graduation, he did law in Witwatersrand University. There he faced lot of problems from whites and thought to stop all this. Then he joined in African National Congress Youth League. At that time, India got independence with peace and non-violence of Gandhi. Mandela followed Gandhi and started fight against white. In 1950, he became the president for African National Congress Youth League. Government was noticing Mandela's boycotts, reverting on whites, etc. In 1955, on behalf of blacks, Nelson played a crucial role in Freedom Charter's letter, but government rejected it and focused on Mandela in deeper. In 1956, including Mandela, more 150 other freedom fighters got arrested by keeping terrorist mark on them. But court rejected this case in 1961. Before this, in 1960, March 21st, an incredible tragedy took place. That is, Sharpeville massacre. Ruling party leader Henry Bellewaerde brought a new act, that is to stop the growth of blacks' population. With this, all the blacks, nearly 10,000, went to Sharpeville for peace protest, but police started firing on them suddenly. With this attack, nearly 60 plus people were died, in that 29 are small children. This incident screwed Mandela a lot, due to which Nelson stopped his peace and non-violence fights against whites and started attacking by targeting government military places in 1961. He was arrested in 1962. America kept him in jail for 27 years without coming out. At that time, government tried so many times to insist Mandela to stop the fights, but Mandela rejected all without accepting a single offer. In 1980, African National Congress started protesting to release Mandela. Before Mandela's arrest, African National Congress has 20,000 members, but suddenly more than 1 lakh people joined in the protest. In 1990, Feb 11th, the present president, Frederick William Clark, passed to release Mandela and also gave special recognition to blacks. In 1993, Nelson received Nobel Peace Award for his incredible fights for their freedom for recognition. In 1994, April 27th, African government thought to keep elections with democracy. At that time, African National Congress achieved 62% of votes. On May 10, 1994, Mandela elected as first democratic president, Clark elected as vice president. In this way, he enjoyed the 5 years president power with marvelous service to the people, with new constitution, equal rights to every citizen, no caste, color discrimination, etc. He married 3 ladies and they have 6 children and 17 grandchildren. In 2009, United Nations proclaimed Mandela's birthday as Nelson Mandela's International Day, that is on 18 July. And at last, on 5th December 2013, when he was 95, Nelson Mandela suffered with respiratory infection and passed away. He is known as father of modern South Africa, a great leader, fighter and a sociology person. Nelson Mandela's biography is a great lesson for us. Thank you. If you like the video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to get the latest notification. And please do support us. Thanks for watching.